Today we are going to discuss about break-even analysis. So what is break-even analysis? Why we will be using break-even analysis? For what purpose we will be using the break-even analysis? Today we are going to discuss. So coming to break-even analysis. Break-even analysis. So what is break-even analysis? So what is break-even analysis? It is an analysis where the organization will be using for the purpose of decision making and profit planning. For that purpose, they will be using the break-even analysis. Why for the decision making? Why for the profit planning means here we will be having such strategies in the organization. If we take this decision, maybe we will be getting losses. Maybe we will be getting the losses. In that purpose, break-even analysis will be telling us that whether we should go for this decision or other decision. It will be telling in the management how to take the decision. So coming to here. Break-even analysis is an important technique used in profit planning and management decision making. So they will be using for the purpose of profit planning and the decision making, as usual what I said in the starting. So management will be having so many complications in the organization about the inventory, about the stock, about the profit, about the production. For everything they should think each and every step, and they should take a step further in the organization. So for that purpose, break-even analysis will be used for the profit planning and the management decision making. So remember these two things mainly it will be used for the break-even analysis purpose. And next, it is a method determining the level of production, that is for the total cost equal to total selling price. So this further we will be discussing about this formula, but this method will be determined for the production, total cost and the total selling price. It means where we are investing for the raw material, how much we are taking for the raw material, how much we are investing on that total cost. For the selling price, what we have said, for that how much we are getting. That everything will be analyzed in the break-even analysis. Further, here, thus it is established for the I'm writing here for the production, profit